Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI Raider GE78. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your MSI Raider GE78 is failing to boot due to a BIOS issue, you're not alone. This problem can arise due to a corrupted BIOS, often caused by improper updates or power failures during the update process. If left unresolved, it could lead to further complications, potentially rendering your device unusable. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement BIOS chip. First, ensure you power off your device and remove the battery if possible. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew the back panel of the laptop. Make sure to store the screws safely, as you'll need them later. Once the back panel is off, locate the motherboard. The BIOS chip is typically situated near the CPU, identifiable by its small rectangular shape. Gently detach any cables or connectors that may be obstructing access to the BIOS chip. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging nearby components. Using your screwdriver, carefully remove the BIOS chip by lifting it from its socket. Be mindful not to apply excessive force, as this could damage the motherboard. Once the faulty chip is removed, take your replacement BIOS chip and insert it into the socket, ensuring it sits firmly in place. Reconnect any cables you previously detached, ensuring they are secure. Now, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Replace the back panel and screw it into place, ensuring all screws are tightened adequately but not overly so. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back together, reinsert the battery and power on your device. If the BIOS has been successfully replaced, your MSI Raider GE78 should boot up without any issues. To prevent this problem from recurring, ensure that your BIOS updates are performed correctly and avoid interrupting the process. Regularly check for firmware updates, and always back up your current BIOS before making changes. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.